Good morning, everyone. My name is Nelson Bonilla with Legacy Outdoor Living, and that is a wrap on our most recent project. Many different levels here, different stations. I like to start with the deck because we expanded the deck. It was roughly 150 square feet smaller. The stairs were over here. Had a ridiculous amount of posts there obstructing the view. Now it's open. We expanded the lower patio as well, which consisted of a concrete patio, and now we have our beautiful graphite gray paver system. We also dropped in this really sharp undercover system with ceiling fans, canned lights, all LED. Of course, we had to connect the two areas here, so we had this really cool walkway. You can see our modest little plant package with boulders, LED pathway lights. And then we needed a secondary patio for a fire element. I think maybe in the future we might come in and build them a fire feature, but you could see how the stations just flow. We've got the upper area, which is probably prime real estate. We'll do all the cooking up there, and then we have this really cool transition to this lower level. We had a tremendous amount of drainage between the two homes. So as you can see, Legacy likes to use our standard river rock, but I love putting garden boulders just to add a little bit of contrast and a little bit of depth. We also had a tremendous amount of surface water we were going to be dealing with because losing all the pervious surfaces. So we dropped in two 18-inch drain boxes here with 6-inch lines, also capturing all of our water from our bocce core underground and transferring it all to the creek around back. And I might have given you guys a little sneak peek of our bocce court the other day. 6x6 pressure treated landscape timbers, a massive drainage system with a number 57 gravel, top dressed with an 89, a number 89 gravel. So when that water hits, it literally travels in real time, zero flooding. We love that. LED lighting around the entire perimeter. Here's a pulled back view of that. Man, that just flows so nicely. We were here for about 6 weeks, so the boys did an amazing job.